you could tell they were together. A few weeks later, we saw that Sir Gavin uploaded a post saying he went to Taiwan by himself because he wanted to buy Ichiran ramen for his mom. We just didn't get a picture for proof. Yun. OMG, revelations. Ha 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 ha. When we got back to the hotel where we stayed, we thought about sending a message to Elma anonymously. But she might not believe it because we have no proof. Kaya hindi sila nag-message kasi hindi nga nila nakuhanan ng picture yung babaeng as yung proof. Kaya yun. So, yun guys. So, napunta din ako sa repost. Malayong para kay Elma yung mga repost dahil together naman sila. Idol mo trending. Ha 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 ha. Oops, by the way, baka gusto nyo magpa-drawing. 150 na lang ngayon. Maka-react dito, okay? Sigbin number 56. Ha 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 ha. Ganun pala yun. Tapos sabi ng isa, super good. Deli Kwan. Never makes me mad. I really like it, Deli Kwan. Naku, na-in love nga sa third party. Ano magagawa? DOA naman kasal dun sa isa. That's life. Di pa naman ata to. Pero OA ang nasabi niya. Nasulat niya, sana iwanan na siya ni Ma'am Elma. It's a joke, sabi nung isa. Your man's mental health is wrong. Na under pressure, kaya nahuli. May pahilo-hilo Huling-huli na pala. Ha 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 ha. Mr. Paperbag, AMP. From nahilo to nahuli, wala nagyud. Pepe step nagyud. Nasa thread na lahat. Iba talaga height at body frame ng mga cheater, no? Pag nahuli, sakit-sakitan. Agoy, legit si Gaza. Okay. So guys, yun na busog na ako guys. So, meron pa ditong watermelon. Check natin ang ating watermelon. Kain tayo. Fresh pa guys, fresh. Okay? Ito, magbasa tayo ng nakakatawa. At saka, bakit wala siyang update sa hospital? Di ba pag vlogger, laging may update sa vlog nila? Isang pasabog lang na dinala sa hospital tapos wala nang update kung ano talaga kondisyon niya. I'm just saying. Kaya pala na-depress. Wala. Sinira niya. Sa threads ko din nahuli yung cheater nyo na HR. Pag sinamahan ng pambababae, panlalaki, or cheating, wala na. Walang peace. For the content again, ginawang depression ang pangluloko. Luso. Run, Elma. Run, Elma daw. Wala talagang magandang napapala ang cheating. Paka-arte pala neto, mukhang cheater naman. So, yun lang guys. That's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!